Hey guys, welcome back to Wegs Garage. If you watched last week's video, you saw us digging into an issue with an oil leak on our transmission. If you haven't seen that one yet, go ahead and hit the link right there. So unfortunately, we suspected it might have been that oil drain plug on the transmission. But yeah, we got more oil coming down all over that overdrive. Pretty much every place where there's seal on the overdrive, it is leaking. So unfortunately, there's really no other way to address that problem. You have to take the whole transmission out, take the overdrive off, and start over with all new gaskets. Shifter, this, hold it. You never want to move backward on a project like this. We had a lot of momentum going for us on this build, and this setback definitely takes the wind out of our sails. If we had a crystal ball, we would have torn a bit deeper into the mechanical parts of this car before we restored the body. This is a mistake that has cost us tons of time and frustration over the last year. Setbacks can take many forms. In the grand scheme of things, mistakes made by a couple of bozos messing around with an old car on the weekends are not going to change the world in any meaningful way.
You can let that hang.
So I don't want anyone to think I'm trying to draw some sort of grand significance to our plight. What I do want to do is reframe how we think of problems like this. It's definitely a cliche to call them learning opportunities. But in reality, this is an excellent way to look at it. All projects are going to have ups and downs. It is up to us to ensure we turn the downs into even bigger ups, to take away knowledge, to get better every day.
Set it down. Okay, go ahead and move.
We're going to take this chance to dive deep into our transmission to ensure everything is in tip-top shape. When we're done, there will be no nagging voice inside our heads saying, "When's this thing gonna blow?" There will be only the mechanical symphony of our car and the open road. Thanks for tuning in. It means a lot having everybody out there supporting us, watching our videos and dropping helpful comments. So stick with us. We'll get this thing back on the road together and we'll go from there. So thanks again. We'll see you next time.